Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials: bot token, permissions, and required gateway intent so Discord accepts connections. Next, ensure your runtime matches the code, Node 16+ or Python 3. 9+, and install dependencies. This prevents package mismatches. Once done, enable detailed logging and run in development mode so you capture startup traces immediately. Make sure to note any error lines. They point to missing modules, bad tokens, or syntax issues. This quick verification gets. Now you dig into the failure. Read the stack trace, identify the file and line, and reproduce the error consistently so you can test fixes. Next, isolate subsystems. Disable commands, cogs, or plugins one at a time to reveal the module causing the crash. Once isolated, inspect API changes or deprecated calls and either update code or pin dependencies to a known good version. Make sure to run unit or smoke tests after each change so you know which fix actually worked. To finish, restart the bot with a clean environment, clear caches, restart PM2 or your service, and confirm intents and webhook URLs are correct, because stale state often hides fixes. Then harden the bot. Add rate limit handling, exponential retries, and graceful error catches so future faults don't crash it. Finally, verify functionality in a safe test guild. If things still fail, reproduce the issue in a minimal example and examine logs closely. That minimal case usually reveals the underlying cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.